Okay class, in this video we're going to be demonstrating how to count our respiratory rate in breaths per minute and how to use a pulse oximeter. So we'll start with our respiratory rate. The first thing we're going to do is obviously we're going to let the patient know that we will be removing their gown because we want to expose the chest. The reason why is you want to be able to see the positive rise and fall for it to be counted as one breath. Now, we're going to be counting for a full minute, and we're going to get our watches out and count for the full minute. And one rise and one fall will count as one. If we get to our minute and the patient's chest is rising, that breath will not count. We'll only count the ones that are full rise and fall. So one more time, I'll show you. That's the patient's chest rising, and then it falls. So that'll be one breath, and we will count for the full minute. A normal respiratory rate is 12 to 20. And that concludes our demonstration for respiratory rate. Make sure you are counting for the full minute. Now we can cover our patient back up. And next we're going to use our pulse oximeter. So if you guys pay attention, you can see that the top little section right here is for our SpO2 percentage. We want this to be above 95% and up to 100 for any healthy patient. And then this will be our pulse rate. This is just an extra for us. There's a separate video to check pulses, but you can get a pulse rate with a pulse oximeter. So all we would do is take this, press this button to turn it on, and place it onto our patient's finger. Now for demonstrational purposes, I am not able to show you guys a number, how it needs to be calibrated, but you would see right here is, I would be reading it like this. It would be SpO2 percentage, and then it would be a pulse rate. That concludes our video, you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one.